Aries, this is your channel messages for the 8th of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aries, we're going into is your ex coming back reading. Do you want your ex to come back, Aries? Because I know sometimes you will be very hot-headed and then get angry and then come back with flowers. I know how Aries are. Anyways, let's just go ahead into your reading, Aries. Today is Friday, Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday, maybe you'll be picking your exes. So let us see if they're coming back by this evening. Okay, how does your ex feel about you? Aries. We have the King of Swords. So I'm getting it's a Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini man. I'm getting your ex, okay, so your ex want to talk to you. I'm getting them have a lot of information to tell you, or they want to tell you about their side of why you guys broke up. If that's not it, I'm getting your ex believe that you're a very intelligent person. You have your head on your body, you're intelligent, you're very logical. I'm getting you smart as somebody believes you're a genius. Your ex is like, yo, this is the smartest child ever. This is the smartest balls I've ever, okay? Does your ex want you back though? The World card, I'm getting they do want a second chance with you, but I'm getting somebody want to be friends. So you're dealing with an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Especially if you broke up with them, they will want to always stay in your life. But I'm getting somebody want either take it as friends again first, or somebody don't want to run into a relationship with you again. Them going to say, okay, this happened, make we take with time, make a big year for you. They're going to do everything like a boyfriend for you, but you don't have to feel the heavy responsibility of treating them like a boyfriend while trying to forgive them. Somebody will come back into your life, but them going to be like, let's start over. Let's start off as friends first. As long as patient as you like, I'll go. So I'm getting somebody wants a good chance, another chance with you, but somebody also want you to see them in a new image. Them don't want you to bring what them do from the past into this cycle, basically. What's the greatest obstacle of reuniting? The Three of Wands. I'm getting it, maybe the distance is the greatest obstacle. So this may be a long distance relationship. Okay, I'm getting 3 to 5 hours away by car. And what is the likeliest outcome of you guys coming together again? The 10 of, okay. So I'm getting, it's a long distance relationship, so you're going to be stressed out. I'm getting both of them got stressed. Because even if somebody's coming back in your life saying, okay, let's start over as friends, me getting emotions are going to be there. And on top of you giving somebody a second chance, no, either this time around, it's a long distance relationship, or me getting, you had already built up all that trust before, then break your trust, and now you're going to have to go back in another long distance relationship again. I'm getting no. I'm getting it's going to stress. When I go argue on the phone every day, him not gonna answer the phone one day, you're gonna say, oh, him cheated on you. And where were you? I was at work. No, you weren't. And then argument, and then stop talk again. So I don't see this going anywhere positive if you get back together with them, Aries. I'm getting, yes, somebody want a chance with you, but me getting it gonna stress you. If it stress you, it is not meant for you. You know that? Nothing in life supposed to stress you. Nothing. It's so easy that baby came out of its mother. Now the mother may have to push through our constrictions, right? But the baby was going to come out anyways. The baby never gets stuck in the uterus unless the cord is around the baby's neck. You see, if something hard, if it has stressed you out, whether that's a job, if you're moving to one new place, whether you just get one job, you just get one boyfriend, you just start a business, you just sign your first contract, you see, if it stresses you the fuck out, is not meant for you. Anything in life that's meant for you, you're gonna get it easy. Easy, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it easy as a mother having a child on her couch and did not know that she was in labor. Easy. Once a relationship, a job, a marriage, anything, it's too hard, it's hard. Once that happens to you, usually it's not for you. You go against the resistance, you go against the current, you go against the wave. You see, if it comes to you very, very easy, and then once you get it, it starts to cause problem, like people around you start make it hard, then you know it's for you. Because the universe put it in your hands first and said, no, I'm gonna leave you alone. Take care, right, watch it, and don't make nobody hurt it. When you get in your hand, that way it's for you. But you see, if you have to fight, you have to compete, you have to stress out yourself for something is not yours. Somebody will try to set you up to make you reach for something that you'll never get. Me getting is somebody want to cause you anxiety. So maybe somebody's calling you saying, yes, I want to be together with you again. Me getting them don't have no intentions of actually being with you again. They may just have to string you along. Because it will stress you out. It makes no sense. You're cheating. Yeah, me getting somebody gonna cheat on you. Alright, that's what you're going to think. And even if somebody's not cheating on you, but you think that that's enough leverage to have an unhappy relationship. So don't put him through that. Or Cancer, yeah. We have Pisces. So we got Cancer, we have Pisces. We have Cancer, Pisces, and cheating. Some of the Pisces are cheat on the Cancer cheat on the Pisces. Or me getting, it's over phone number. Or me getting a trying very, very hard to keep the fact that, I don't know if you're interested in, you see your ex, me getting somebody around or you're interested in, you know. That's why you want to be friends with her. I'm gonna leave it here until next time, bye.